This is the Blueberry Beat. I'm AJ, and this is my Aunt Treat. Hey Treat, what is a blueberry's worst nightmare?
Being eaten.
The birds.
Like the movie.
Yeah.
You're right. As a farmer, you're absolutely right. We always are fighting the birds.
Yeah.
Because they love them ripe blueberries.
Speaking of fighting with something, no, just teasing with your kid. No, this looks like a lot of fun. This whole spread here, I like the colors. It looks very simple. I'm assuming this might have a little kid spin to it.
Yes, it does.
Cool.
Everything here is very kid friendly and very easy to do. And just a little nod to the blueberry. Of course, I have strawberries here showcased on the kebab. And speaking of that, this is a kebab, and that's just frozen French toast. And I cut them into pieces. I bake them first and cut them into pieces. And then I skewered them.
Nice. Oh, that is so fun.
That's
what a neat little way to do it.
Yep,
It's a breakfast kebab.
That's right.
Breakfast blueberry kebab.
Exactly.
Yep.
So you got a little fruit, and they'll eat it that way. So this is featuring our syrup. So that's what we're gonna kind of put on the side so they could dip their French toast.
You could even just on top of it, couldn't you?
Sure
the
could.
brush or something like that. Sure,
Yeah, so
absolutely. My kids would actually be down for something like this because they
the
love
top.
fruit and they really like French toast. So.
Yeah, and this is it's very chunky syrup. They call it a syrup because it has a little bit more viscosity to it. It's just kind of pours well, but it's not real sweet. It's very
interesting.
Yeah, it's very.
Well, with that being said, I know we have a couple other different varieties of the syrup at the store too. We have a maple and we have an amaretto too.
Ooh.
So yeah, those ones probably kick in the sweetness, don't they?
Yeah. Or
So
you could just
is
keep
this
them
for me right here? How exciting!
Well, you can try it.
Excellent. I would love it to try it. So I'm gonna actually
The
just
kid
dip
in
this
you's
in.
coming out.
Absolutely. Yeah, definitely. So I'm gonna try a little bit of that with the.
There you go.
This is so good.
And they now
excellent.
have, I don't know if you guys noticed, but there's a white strawberry, but it's pinky. It's kind of like a pink tinge. It's a new one. It's very good.
That's pretty cool. Now, with that being said, could we use this like on a funnel cake or an elephant ear?
Gosh,
even?
yeah.
Cool. That's what we need to do is make the people at the carnival start buying our product to use on their elephant ears and funnel cakes, right?
It has what flavor did you see in it? Just smooth? Or?
It is. Like you said, it's not too abrasively sweet. So it's not like I'm eating a sweet French toast as well as a sweet syrup on top, too sweet of a syrup on top of that French
toast. And it
toast.
complements with the cinnamon in there.
It really does.
And you know what these are?
Ants on a log. I just watched Nothing But Trouble. I don't know if you guys know that movie with Demi Moore and Chevy Chase and Dan Aykroyd. Yeah, they eat this.
Oh, they do?
Yep.
So it's just almond butter and celery, and I put some dried on there. And then a little bit extra so they can nibble. And then this is blueberry preserves, yogurt, vanilla yogurt, and some more preserves, and then our granola that goes on
Like a little parfait,
the top.
huh?
A little parfait.
Nice. Those are always fun.
So the top can, be anything that you'd like. And then, what is this?
Basic.
Basic is caramel.
It's
And I put a little
basic.
dried in there for, a little bit of nutrition.
Yeah, why not?
Yep.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, come fall, that'd be a great thing.
Oh,
and
definitely.
we will also talk about our
Oh,
juices.
the juices are really great. Yep.
We have
That's actually my favorite flavor. There's
The
4
apple?
different flavors. There's cranberry, there's apple, there's lemonade, and there is, what's that? Cherry. That's right, cherry. This one is actually my favorite though. Yeah.
So it's very, very good, nutritious, and not sweet. You want to try it? You remember how it tastes?
Oh yeah, no, I sure will just drink this.
And guess what this is?
Oh, interesting. Is this the this? Oh, is that I don't know.
It's ranch and barbecue
Oh,
sauce.
shut up. No,
And it's
I would have never guessed that.
delicious.
I should have tasted it and then tried to guess.
Oh,
But
yeah, and it.
wow, this is really those two
Yeah.
mixed together?
Uh-huh.
Huh, I did not think that this
And
would be
if you,
the consistency and texture that it would give you.
And this is
Very
a nice
cool.
little idea to put it in the bottom of a cup, so
Right,
then the kids
then
can
dip
just
it.
walk around and have their own thing.
I would say this is super rad.
Yeah.
Super bad. Wow, that is really good.
I was floored.
Holy
I
smokes.
thought, oops, and then I thought, oh no. So that's just a bottle of ranch. I didn't make the ranch, and just.
Hey,
put
I'm
a
one to
little bit.
add two things together, stir it, and make it your own, right?
Sometimes you got a part bottle of something in the fridge.
Right. You think
Throw
it's
it in
gonna go
ranch,
bad
and you
soon?
about got it.
Mm-hmm.
And then this one here is a very good thing.
Oh, okay.
What
It
do you
is.
think
Okay.
this is?
Well, if you ask me, I think that is actually just something sitting in a type of marinade. Like
It
I
looks
would.
that way, but-
it looks like you're using it to top something. To be
Ah,
honest, it
okay.
looks like you're about to pour it on top of something.
Well,
So,
because
what are we doing with it?
I marinated this too long. This is blueberry preserves with apple.
Oh.
Just chopped up apple, and
A lot of water though,
well,
not real
be-
liquidy, because.
but it's good. It's if you tasted this,
Oh, I
you'll be
believe it. I
like,
will.
oh,
I
no.
will. Let's do
And
it.
it's good with tortilla chips or something
Oh,
like
okay,
that. or-
okay, sure. Or maybe throw
Or
it
just
in
like
with a
that.
salsa. Like pour this and add, have a already pre-made salsa.
There you
pour
go.
this in there. Bada boom, bada bing.
I did a
Oh wow!
kindergarten.
Ooh, yeah, that is so sweet though. Yeah. I don't think I would use those with apple chips or like
Oh,
those
yeah,
rice
anything
cakes
like
with
that.
the caramel flavored rice cakes or something
Oh,
like that.
sure, yeah.
That'd be really
Yeah,
good.
That'd be good.
Yeah.
That
Granola
would be
graham
good,
cracker,
yeah.
something like that. Yeah.
Uh-huh. I
Maybe
should
do a
have
sweet
served
spin.
that.
Next
Yeah,
time, Treat.
next time.
Next time for sure.
Great ideas. I love
Excellent.
it.
Cool.
So you want to grab that?
Oh yes, absolutely. So
Bluish
this little guy right here, what do we got?
Oh,
If I can open it.
surprise.
Oh my goodness, look at that. It's just a nice little kit and caboodle
So you
blueberry.
could- the kids could take it in their lunch pail.
Yeah, a little strainer on the bottom so it doesn't stay wet all day and sit in
Yeah.
water.
So it's kind of cute.
Yeah, it's very cute. Very well priced. Sells really well this
Does
way.
it?
Mm-hmm. Sure does.
I
So,
think it's a very good idea.
cool. Awesome.
So there we are.
Beautiful. Well, it sounds like I need to be taking my kids down to the store and getting some more blueberry stuff.
And try different things. Get out of the box. It's not
Absolutely.
just for breakfast or whatever. There's so many things to do, and that's the cool part about a blueberry. You don't have to wash it. Well, you wash it, but you don't have to peel it. And
It freezes so well too. It's
Oh,
very,
my gosh.
very durable. Like very, you can do a variety of things with it. And I think also the approachability. You literally are grabbing them, popping in your mouth, and go. Yeah.
You know, one
Sure.
thing that happened to me, because I don't eat the whole pint or the whole container that I buy, so I just take those and I freeze them.
Oh, nice.
Whatever's left over, and it
Mhm.
doesn't. You can freeze them in the container they come in.
Yeah, you literally could.
Yeah.
Yep, absolutely. Just
So
have
you
it
know,
in a
it's
bag.
very, very
Yeah.
easy.
Wow, cool. Well, Treat, you know what? I always thought growing up, everybody grew up on a blueberry farm as well.
You
And
did?
as I've gotten older, I've come to realize that is not the case.
No.
And you know, when you do things like this and show parents an easier way for them to incorporate a new type of fruit into their kids' diet, this is advantageous for everyone.
And they would love it too. You know, it broadens their palate. you
Yes,
know,
broadens
that
their
kind of
horizons, and it makes them a little bit more open to trying new stuff in the future
Oh
if they
my gosh,
actually
yeah.
like what they're
thing.
trying.
Yes,
Right?
yes.
That's the trick.
Yep, well,
Give
thank
them
you,
something
Amy.
bad and then give them another good. So.
Okay.
Yeah, no, well, thank you.
That might be what you do, but I don't know about that.
We'll see. Yep. So cool. Well, I'm AJ. This is Treat, and thanks for watching us on the Blueberry Beat.